DC40 Origin automatically adjusts for optimal contact on every floor type, maintaining suction power even on hard floors, and there are no fiddly dials to adjust. Like all Dyson vacuums, it has cyclone technology that captures more dirt than any other cyclone. Radial Root Cyclone Technology maximizes suction power, and vortex fingers guide air out of the cyclones, reducing turbulence. Lifetime filters trap allergens, and cleaner air is expelled from the machine. DC40 Origin sits on a ball. Many essential components, including the motor, have been carefully engineered to fit inside the ball, creating a low center of gravity. It steers smoothly and turns on a dime, maneuvering around obstacles, into difficult places, and along edges with ease. The hose and wand come out as one for instant high-reach cleaning. Additional tools designed by Dyson engineers attach to the wand for removing dust, dirt, and allergens from awkward places. Dyson vacuums are engineered to last and are covered by a 5-year parts and labor warranty with a US-based Dyson customer service center.